Hey guys, Ralph here, and today we're going to change engine air filter on Toyota Highlander. First step is to pop up the hood. This is where our engine filter is located. There's two clips on the bottom, so you just need to pull it out and then slide it out. Slowly take off the old engine air filter. So this is the old one and this is our new one. The old one has a 20,000 miles on it. Reinstall the new engine air filter. You just need to lift the cover a little bit up so you can slide your new engine air filter to the housing. Slide the cover up, then secure the cover by pushing those two clips on the bottom. That's one on the bottom and one on the side. And that's how you replace your engine air filter on your Toyota Highlander. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.